In this video guide, I will give you recommendations on how to get rid of the pop-ups that promote some sort of NetflixHub software. These pop-ups are also titled as NetflixHub download. So you should disregard all these pop-ups because in reality the software called NetflixHub works as a typical adware. The developers of this so-called software called NetflixHub promote it as a tool that will give you the ultimate way to enjoy Netflix right from your PC. However, in reality this software functions as a typical adware. Once installed, it will start displaying a lot of ads in your computer screen, and you will see strange pop-ups, unwanted browser redirections to random websites, and you may experience other troubles with your browser. There may be a lot of web push notifications too. So stay away from interacting with these pop-ups. Currently they come from the site acnav.online, but there may be some other similar resource. Another thing you need to do is to research the control panel of your computer. And if you installed something like that, if you see some strange software called NetflixHub or some other strange software, right-click on it and uninstall it. Now, I also recommend you to check the safety of your Windows computer with the help of reliable security program, and I recommend you to do it with the help of Combo Cleaner. It will help you to detect other threats like malware, adware, browser hijackers that could be possibly hidden on your system. Plus, it will also help you to defend your important files from ransomware attacks. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application and start examining your computer with its help. So after you download the software, install it and click on Start Scan button. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode, even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called anti-ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected, and then at the end of scan you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threats with the premium version of the program, or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner Premium version.